Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech. Today, we're diving into a powerhouse that's making waves in both work and gaming realms. It's none other than the STGAubron gaming desktop PC computer. With an Intel Core i7 processor, Radeon RX 580 graphics card, and 16 GB of RAM, this PC is engineered for exceptional performance. Whether you're tackling heavy workloads or immersing yourself in the latest gaming titles, this machine has you covered. But it's not just about raw power. Aesthetics matter too. The STGAubron PC boasts a sleek design with RGB accents, including 6 vibrant fans, a stylish keyboard and mouse, and even a BT soundbar for immersive audio experiences. Speaking of experiences, let's talk about what this PC can do. From intense gaming sessions with titles like Fortnite, Call of Duty Warzone, and GTA 5, to demanding work tasks like photo and video editing or even crypto trading, this PC handles it all with ease. Don't just take our word for it. Customers are raving about the STGAubron gaming desktop PC, with praise for its performance, ease of setup, and overall value. It's clear that this machine is making an impact in the tech community. So, if you're in the market for a versatile and powerful computer that excels in both work and play, look no further than the STGAubron gaming desktop PC. It's a true game changer. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews on the latest tech trends. Until next time, happy gaming and productive computing.